Well, we got some raking going on. I guess we're gonna bale some hay today. Alright everybody, today is bale the hay day. So, here is our 570. Got that all ready to go. I had to get the monitor and stuff that goes with that all mounted in this tractor because we haven't baled hay with this tractor before because we haven't had it that long. So I had to get all that set up. We greased everything, lubed the chains. Should have everything ready to go. Twine box is full. We have two different color twines. Some nice orange and blue. It's whatever the guy brings. That's what color we run. So I will be getting some footage for you today. I'm not exactly sure what. I'll probably set the camera. We'll probably do something from the tractor and try and maybe set the camera back so you can see. But things are a little bit crazy today. We're a little bit late getting started. So I'm not going to be able to do anything too dramatic. But join me for this journey today. And I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit. everybody. It's a new day for me, 2 seconds for you guys. So we finished baling hay last night, and it was kind of late. Didn't get home till about 8:30, so I didn't really film anything last night. The baler's pretty dusty, dirty. I gotta blow it off before I put it away this morning, but I almost ran out of twine. And let's see, I reset this before we started for the year. Can you read that? 1728 is what, that's the bale count for yesterday. So I had a couple of small issues with the baler. There was one time that it randomly missed 2 or 3 bales, and so there's a couple of those that don't count. And then I had another issue on a twine changeover. It screwed up, so I ended up rebaling probably 3 or 4 bales there too, so you can subtract another couple off there. And then it missed one other random one. I don't know, so I don't know why it misses random bales like that. The twine changeover was partially my fault. I think the one knot where I connected the 2 balls of twine together didn't stay, and then when I restrung it and threaded the needle, I missed one of the grommets underneath. And if anybody has ever done that, you'll know what I'm talking about. So, but yeah, so that's what we got done yesterday. The hay's all stacked inside. That's all done. We rent the barn at that property that we baled the hay, but I ended up having them bring extra twine over. This was full yesterday, and these 2 are all I have left from this box being full the other day. These they brought over for me towards the end of the night last night because I was afraid I was going to run out, but we made it. I got a bit of a mess in here to clean up, but so it was a long day. The property yielded way more hay than I thought it was going to, a lot more than last year, and we haven't done a lot of fertilizing over there. We've done some, but not a lot, so I really didn't expect it to yield as well as it did. So I mean, that's good, more money in my pocket, but it meant a later night for everybody. So so everybody was pretty tired when they went home last night, but I'm lucky to have some family members that'll come and help out when I need them. So but yeah, other than missing a few bales, everything worked well, no issues with anything. So yeah, but I hope you enjoyed the video and the footage that was previous to this, which was actually yesterday. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave your comments down below. Hit that subscribe button for me, please, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.